When carrying resentment or regret, the heart is like a trapped bird and cannot fly freely. Release yourself and regain your inner peace. Whether it is forgiving others or letting yourself go, this choice can bring earth-shattering changes to life. When the mind is no longer entangled by obsession or resentment, it can stay away from fear and troubles and achieve ultimate peace and relief. Forgiveness is the key to open the door of the heart. It helps us stay away from the shackles of resentment and move towards inner comfort and happiness. The wisdom of let go is a pursuit of inner freedom. When we hold a grudge against others, this emotion actually makes us suffer more. Forgiveness is the greatest compassion for yourself and a wise choice that allows the soul to go into battle lightly. Forgiveness is a transcendence of hurt and an opportunity to regain control of the direction of life. Let go of obsession and go to freedom. Resentment is like burning charcoal in your hand, and it will always be yourself who is burned. Many people hold the pain of the past and think that resentment can punish the other party, but ignore that such emotions will only make themselves fall into it. Forgiveness is not forgetting, but a kind of courage to let go of persistence. When you choose to forgive, you are unloading the burden for your soul and letting yourself embrace the beauty of life again. The root of pain lies in persistence. When you are obsessed with a certain situation or resentment, you will be troubled by these emotions. Letting go of obsession is not to make the hurt reasonable, but to choose to turn the hurt into wisdom. Those who are freed can observe freely and are not moved by the world. True freedom comes from not being bound by emotions. It is not easy to find the path of light in the dark. However, every time you let go of your resentment, you light a lamp for yourself. Those things that you think can't be put down are actually just inner illusions. Once you choose forgiveness, your inner freedom is so real and down to earth. The process of forgiveness is inseparable from compassion. When you look at past injuries from the perspective of love, you can understand the reasons behind everyone's behavior. Maybe it's the ignorance of the other party, or maybe it's the limitations of the environment. When you see these limitations, you can resolve your resentment with greater tolerance. At the same time, forgiving yourself is also a manifestation of love and compassion. If you accept your own imperfections, admit your mistakes, and free yourself from the shackles of self-reproach, you can show the power of life again. Behind everyone's pain, there is a heart eager to be loved. Responding to hurt with love can not only soothe your own heart, but also affect the other party's kindness. Such good thoughts are like lighting a lamp in the dark, bringing warmth to each other. No matter how difficult the environment is, we can still maintain purity and beauty. The process of forgiveness, just like the lotus blooming in the mud, is a kind of spiritual rebirth and purification. Every choice of forgiveness is a rebirth. Forgive the hurt of the past and make yourself like a lotus flower, and still bloom the most beautiful light in the most difficult moment of life. Choosing to forgive is to turn pain into the power of growth. The purity of lotus comes from the fact that it does not reject mud, but converts it into nutrients.